Professor Stone, how far back can we find evidence concerning the practice of abortion?
Abortion was legal and fairly common all the way back to the Greeks and the Romans. And that remained the case through the Middle Ages, in England and in the American colonies, and in the United States at the time that the Constitution was enacted. Throughout all of that time, there were some judgments about whether abortion after quickening should be permitted, which is about the midpoint of pregnancy. But before quickening, abortion was always allowed, and it was common and not regarded as particularly controversial.
Quickening is a term we may return to a few more times. What exactly does it mean?
It basically means the time at which a woman can feel the fetus.
Before the founding of the United States, when we had the colonies, abortion was legal in Great Britain?
Yes, and it was, yes, and in America.
And the Americas as well.
Mm-hmm.
Was it something that was even considered, talked about? Was it a controversial issue, say, during the founding of the United States, perhaps maybe during the Constitutional Convention in Philadelphia?
No. The only people at that time who were opposed to abortion in any significant number were Catholics, but there weren't many Catholics in the United States at that time. So it was not regarded as particularly controversial. And most people didn't talk about it as a question of should it be allowed or should it not be allowed. It was just taken for granted.
But Catholics for some time had been against abortion.
Yes, but the Catholic Church condemned it. But even in the Middle Ages, it was not illegal. So they basically condemned it for their own members, but did not go into the law to prohibit people from having abortions just because Catholics didn't like it.